VIP class is a class. It's not a one-on-one session. However, lahat ng classes namin may one-on-one. So, even if hindi ka sa VIP mag-enroll, hindi mo makukuha yung certification. Kumbaga, hindi ka isa-certify ng Plogymerry Group unless you went through the whole training process that includes yung actual na live na class. Hindi ka available doon sa oras or araw ng training, punta ka na lang sa recording, and then kung may internship yung na-enrollan mo, you have to go through the whole internship, submit yung deliverables mo. After nun, kailangan mong umattend ng application book session, and then after the application book, meron tayong tinatawag na final activity. Si final activity, isasubmit mo siya, you have 2 weeks to submit that, and once you've submitted it, you would be able to schedule a one-on-one with me, kung saan pag-aaralan natin isa-isa kung ano yung mga sinabit mo sa iyong final activity, ano yung natutunan mo during the class, how are you going to take your freelance journey from point A to point B. We're here to help out. Hindi lang bastang tuturuan ka namin, etong ginagawa ng social media manager or etong ginagawa ng SEO. No. We wanna make sure that you are geared to face the freelancing world. And we address 2 things. Number 1, kakulangan sa kaalaman. And number 2, we wanna make sure that you are physically, mentally, and professionally prepared to face the freelancing world. The only difference ng VIP is that instead of paying for 2-3 sessions or 2-3 classes, you only pay for 1. 1 year ka may access, automatic enrolled ka na sa lahat ng classes namin, automatic makaka-attend ka ng internship, automatic nakasama ka sa lahat ng client farming sessions. Every now and then, I would throw in different tasks for VIPs. Depende pag nakita ko kung ano yung, what is this batch all about. Like for example, last year, January 2023, na batch ng Top VIP All Access Pass. Lahat sila sabi ko, nako, may experience na itong mga to. So ready na sila. Meron doon, nag-start na. Meron doon, wala na ng sarili nilang VA agencies. Parang dalawa is promoted. Another one is operations manager. Dalawa is nakapag-outsource na ng kanilang work. So, nag-build na sila ng kanilang startup na mini agency. And that alone speaks volumes about what you can earn from just learning, even if marami ka nang alam sa freelancing. So anyway, if you guys wanna join, punta lang kayo dito sa link sa bio ko. Pag clinic nyo yan, makikita nyo na to. And Top VIP All Access Pass is only 1,999 pesos. That's for 1 whole year na. So pag open nyo ng form, makikita nyo under open classes, i-click nyo lang to, 1999 Top VIP All Access Pass, at makikita nyo na yung mismong form at kung saan nyo papadala yung bayad. Kung nasa Instagram naman kayo, ito lang yung i-click nyo. And just in case na hindi gumana yung TikTok at saka yung Instagram, punta lang kayo sa Facebook ko, hanapin nyo tong video na to. Sa mismong caption, ilalagay ko doon yung link para sa form kung saan kayo mag-enroll. Ganon din naman sa YouTube, i-click nyo lang yung description box. The form is now open for April batch ng Top VIP. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!